Hey guys, welcome to Huascaran National Park and join us today in an awe-inspiring journey as we delve into the heart of the Andes. Nestled in the dramatic landscape of Peru, Huascaran National Park is a place of absolute breathtaking beauty. It's a place where the towering snow-capped peaks, they pierce through the sky and the majestic glaciers melt into the pristine lakes. And these lakes, they shimmer like jewels in the high-altitude sun. So to get to the famous Laguna 69, we drove from Huaraz, which is at an altitude of about 3,000 meters, and we're steadily gaining in altitude until about 3,800 meters where Laguna Yanganuco sits, and we camped not too far from Laguna Yanganuco, and so 3,800 meters was the base of our hike. So this is the campsite that we stayed at to do the Laguna 69 hike. It's pretty nice. We got a fairly large space. Obviously it's very open. There's cows, donkeys, there's some llamas.
We have one more.
Do you want a potato? Let me see. Oh, that's nice. Now we have no more potatoes. No dinner for you.
But what about them?
Well, I think they are, I don't know. They're okay over there. This one is a friendly donkey.
Look at me. I touched his mane.
Oh, you did?
That's so cool.
It is, isn't it?
Was it soft?
It is soft.
It's really soft.
We spent a pretty quiet night with the donkeys and the cows, and the next morning we had to get up pretty early in the morning so that we could start our hike. That 5-kilometer mark. Don't be fooled by it. Do not be fooled by this because it's 5 kilometers, but it's pretty difficult 5 kilometers. So it was a pretty steep incline. And then there's like a flat area and another very steep incline for the last 1 kilometer. And so I remember when I saw this 5 kilometers, I was like, yes, that just looks so good. No, you're about to work. When you see that 5 kilometers, that's when the work really starts. Last kilometer is super tough. Yeah.
I can't take it anymore.
You can't take it? Look it. Hey, you know what? We have 5 minutes.
Mom, feel my hair. Like this.
Is it hot? Yeah, it's hot. Okay, vamos. Let's go. What is it like up there, girlie?
I can't go anymore.
I know, honey. Hey, guess what? I'll hold your hand the whole way.
Down.
Up. We're going up. You can, honey. Of course you can. Way at the front? Way in the front.
Whoa.
You right? Do you see that, honey?
The lake?
That's the lake, honey. Look at it. Isn't that amazing?
I don't see them down.
We made it.
Where would it be?
You can do it! Go! You can do it! Okay, let's talk about hiking Laguna 69 in Peru with children. So as far as the hiking goes to Laguna 69, especially with kids, I would plan for just having a big day. It's a big day. There's no ways around it. It's a big hike. It's altogether 16 kilometers. So so we had to park here at the campground, and it's 1 kilometer to the trailhead. And then it's 7 kilometers from the trailhead to the lake, to Laguna 69. So that's 8 and then back, so 16 kilometers altogether. It is a long day. There's just no other way to put it. So we started really early in the morning. We were out hiking by about 7:40, and there was only a few other groups hiking at the time, and it took us about 5 hours to get up to the top. Now that was 5 hours of super duper slow going, like super slow. Like we are stopping to smell any flowers that we see, to climb any rocks that we see, exploring in this
Where are you guys?
houses that are on the way. It was really not just about getting to this destination. It was just about just taking our time, and it took us 5 hours. We got there at so about, I guess, 12:40ish is when we got there, and then we enjoyed the lake for over an hour before we started heading down. And again, heading down, we super took our time. We picked up trash, we looked for trash, we played, and it took us less than 4 hours to get back. So it was a long day, but it was pretty chill hiking. It is not easy hiking. Besides the distance, which is obviously big for little feet or little legs, the elevation gain. So you're going from 3,800 to 4,600. So that 800 meters in elevation difference, you do feel it. You feel it, the kids feel it. The last kilometer was very difficult. It was pretty steep. And coming down, the rocks are pretty slippery because there's lots of loose rocks. So that's just something that you have to be aware of. Now, one other thing is be ready for all kinds of season. So we started out, it was very cold, super cold. I mean, miserable cold, especially for the kids, you know, cold toes. So we had to like keep the toes warm. We had to rub them. And, you know, that's another thing that takes time is stop, you know, take the shoes off and rub the feet until they're nice and warm, and then get back on the trail. So we had to do that. And then it rained. So there was that, and then it snowed at the top, and then it was really sunny as well. So you really gotta be ready for all the seasons. Bring hats, bring sunscreen. You're going to need sunscreen because the sun up here is super strong. Hiking poles, good shoes, good support shoes, and lots of snacks. Lots of snacks. We had just everything we could grab our hands on, because we kind of would go a little bit, stop and snack, look around, enjoy the views. And the views on this hike, I mean, to me, the lake is the icing on this amazing cake, because the whole trail is so stunning. The scenery, the mountains, the glaciers, the waterfalls, the river, the river has nice glacial water, obviously, and all of it is just stunning, stunning, stunning. There's cows to enjoy, donkeys, llamas if you're lucky. Then you get to the top, and the top is so fantastic. And so
this is a hike that we definitely recommend. Thanks guys so much for watching. I had so much fun making this video. If you could guys, please hit that subscribe button. It's gonna help us lots, especially because we're growing this channel. Bye, and we'll see you next time.
Whoa! High five! Good. Yeah? Good job, Daddy.
Oh yeah.
We did it.
We made it.
We did it.